They'll surely be grateful too.
Don't mention it. Over there. What's that? Huh? That's...
Do you recognize this backpack?
Yeah, that definitely belongs to Rain. So she really has been here. There might be some clues inside. Huh?
Music.
It's a playback device. It seems to be on a timer. Doesn't look dangerous.
Watch out!
Where did that come from?
Since we've been invited to dance, I suppose we should oblige. Get out of nowhere when the music starts. That means...
Hey, Ethereal! Over here! Lucky there was a rift. It was attracted by the music.
It seems someone is trying to use ethereals against us.
No, she couldn't.
Ellen, we want them conscious.
So there's people here besides us. But who are they? Thanks for that just now. Ellen, are you okay? She needs help.
It's nothing. She's just asleep.
So fuzzy.
It doesn't appear that they'll be waking up anytime soon. We should get them out of the hollow. Prepare to break through.
Right.
Wait. Something isn't right.
The music. Isn't it the same as before? It's the ethereal from the atrium.
It seems our guests haven't had enough fun yet. Rest assured, Master Proxy. For Victoria housekeeping, it's plenty of time.
Your wish is our command.
Let's go.
We did it! They left!
Our mission continues. Onward.
Can you hear me, Belle? The airship is almost there. It's the mayor here!
Billy!
Warning, the airship will reach the target in seconds. 10 seconds remaining.
Hurry up! We're not gonna make it!